Hello guys, welcome to Tech Roxo YouTube channel, and today's topic is Introduction to the Windows Server 2022. Guys, we have started a new series in what we will cover Windows Server 2022 from the scratch, and we will cover all the features of the Windows Server 2022, and we will also demonstrate live it in our PC and state for so stay tuned for the upcoming videos and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. So let's see. Before talking about the Windows Server, we will see what is server. A server is a computer program or device that provides a service to another computer and its user, also known as the client. So what is a server? When a client needs any kind of service, it requests to the server and then request server back to the client with the service. A server is a that accepts and responds to requests made over a network. So there are many kinds of servers available: web server, virtual machine, email server, FTP server, DNS server, DHCP server. So server is basically something that provides service to another computers. Okay. So what is Windows Server? Windows Server is a group of operating systems designed by Microsoft that supports enterprise level management, data storage, application, and communications. So, Windows Server, what we can do with Windows Server is we can manage users, computers across the network, and we can apply group policies to them, and we can manage a lot of things like with file server. We can manage who can access the file or from where we can access the file. So all of things we can do with the Windows Server. So servers provide services to other computers across a network, and so they have a few extra requirements from their operating systems than regular PCs do. Okay. So what are the advantages of Windows Server? We can manage the things from Windows Server: number of users and devices, virtualization enhancements, improved security, scalability, performance, cloud integration. So there are many advantages of Windows Server. We can sorry, we can manage several things from the Windows Server. So here are some few roles that a server can perform. So the first one is Active Directory. With Active Directory, it is a user management service that allows a server to act as a domain controller. So what it does is we can create users or groups of users. We can also create groups for the machines connected to our server. So we can manage it through Active Directory. DHCP. DHCP server automatically assigns IP addresses to all the devices connected on the network. So file and storage. This allows you to keep important data in a central location and set permissions to control who can access which files. Windows Update Services. By setting up a server as a Windows Update controller, you can route all workstation updates through that server and configure specific rules for how they should work. We can we can choose who will which user get which type of update and which type of patch. This all kind of things we can done with Windows Update Services. So the next one is print services. If a business has dozens of printers across the building, it's waste of time for IT staff to configure them individually for each new workstation. Setting up a print server allows you to easily map printers to computers and reduce redundant work. So we can make a print server and all the print jobs are managed will be managed from that server also. So here are some few roles. There are huge roles. There are huge features of server can perform. There are few roles. We will cover all the features in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channel. We are going to cover all the features one by one in our upcoming videos. So Windows Server comes in two main editions. The first one is standard and the second one is data center edition. But there is another edition we will talk about later, the standard edition. This edition is designed for small to medium sized organizations. It includes all the core features of Windows Server such as Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, and file print services. It also includes features like Hyper-V virtualization and storage space direct. The standard edition allows up to 64 cores and 32 GB of RAM per server. So it is a limitation of this standard edition for large organization. This edition is not suitable. So in the data center edition, we will get up to 128 cores and 48 terabyte of RAM per server. And there are some advanced features which are comes under the data center edition like storage spaces direct and storage replica. So we will cover these two topics in another video. I will make a dedicated video for these two. These are very useful features. So okay. So here is another edition, Data Center Azure Edition. The Data Center Azure Edition of Windows Server 2022 is a special edition of the Data Center Edition that is optimized for use in Azure Cloud Computing Platform. This edition includes all the features of standard data center as well as some additional features that are specifically designed for the use of Azure. So there are some features comes with the Azure edition. The first one is Azure Backup. This feature provides cloud-based backup and recovery services for Windows Server instances. And Azure Site Recovery is a disaster recovery services, is like a backup service. Azure Security Center, it provides the advanced threat protection and security management. Azure Monitor, we can monitor and analytics capabilities of the Windows Server, um, and Azure Hybrid Benefit. This feature allows customers, sorry, with software assurance to save money by using their existing Windows Server license to run virtual machines in Azure. So here are some key features. There are a lot of features remaining of Windows Server 2022 Data Center Azure Edition. We will cover all the features in our upcoming video. Stay tuned with us. So what's new in the Windows Server 2022? This Azure Edition comes with this data center, helps you to use benefits of cloud to keep your VMs up to date while minimizing downtime. So storage. It improves the storage features such as storage space direct and storage migration service. Containers. It also supports the containerization and ability to run Linux containers on the Windows. So management. There is a new centralized management console called Windows Admin Center, and the ability to manage multiple servers from a single location. Licensing. It includes a new licensing model that is designed to simplify the licensing for hybrid and multi-cloud environment. Security includes a new security features such as secure boot for Linux VMs, encrypted VMs, and improved container isolation. Performance. Server 2022 is optimized for modern hardware, which means offers better performance than previous versions. So here are some new features comes with the Server 2022, and we will in our next video we will install the Windows Server 2022 in our PC and configure the server for the very first time. So stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and tap the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.